Hi, Populist. Steve here. Just a friendly reminder that we are 1 week away from our quarterly company-wide Teams call. It is so awesome to be a part of this. I'm so grateful that we have a company that does this. It's so hard to connect. Anyways, if you've never experienced one of these, you're in for it. It's fantastic. We're going to come together, right? We're going to celebrate victories. We're going to share and overcome, talk about challenges we may be experiencing. We're going to have an opportunity for you, if you'd like, to share any personal or professional best that you may experience in the last 3 months, of course. Recognize some newcomers and some special anniversaries. It's going to be great, right? We're going to touch on HR topics, growth, opportunities. I'm going to touch on CTU, right? Clean Train University. At the end of the call, all right, as long as your name is completely displayed, we're going to give away three $50 gift cards. It's awesome. So I expect everyone to be on this call. It is a requirement. If you are clocked in, remain clocked in. If you are not clocked in, we're going to provide you clock-in information for you to get paid for your time, right? And so be on the lookout for an email. In that email, you're going to have a one-click log on to that Teams call. When is this Teams call? 1 week away. That's Thursday, November 7th at 6:30. All right, y'all. Expect see everyone on this. All right. Have a great rest of your week. Bye.